Patrick with KYGUNCO. If you have been following Taurus lately, you know the TX22 series is hot. It happens to be, I would guess, probably the hottest pistol for 2025, and that's just based on my sales and some other sales that I've seen from other members and other partners out there in the industry. That has historically only been available in the 22 long rifle, but that's about to change because this is Taurus's brand new TX9. Now come on in for a little closer look at it. It's going to come in 3 sizes. You got a subcompact, mid, and a full size, or subcompact, compact, full size. 9mm caliber. It's going to come with 2 mags, polymer frame, drift adjustable rear sight, T.O.R.O optics ready style system, flat face trigger, and this has a serialized chassis in it, so you can take this chassis out of it, and in the future you'll be able to buy the different grip modules. But if you want to buy one gun and buy different grip modules, you can adjust the size of the frame of your firearm. Front and rear cocking serrations, Picatinny rail, nice little undercut. And this happens to be one of Taurus's first pistols, the first pistol I've seen them advertised that is manufactured to NATO spec. So they're trying to go after the law enforcement military market on this. It has an MSRP of $499, but don't get too wound up on the $499. As we always know, the street price or the real price in the firearm stores are usually quite a bit cheaper than that. Has a slide stop on the left and right side. Magazine, I mean, just by now everything's reversible on almost any modern gun on the magazine release. Does come with 3 palm swells. As you see, like I said, it has 2 mags that come with it, a nice little hard case, all the accoutrements that you normally find in a brand new Taurus pistol. It is a striker fire gun, and being striker fired, we're going to give a little test and see how that trigger feels, how the pistol performs. Historically, I've always told you guys that I've never fired the gun prior to doing one of these videos, and that's how we've been doing it for the past 10 or so years. If you're going back and looking, trying to find some of our old videos, SensorTube has kind of made us take most of those down, so we're kind of starting fresh. Obviously, we still have all of our subscribers. We saved our channel, but we will be loading a lot of fresh content, obviously, as it becomes available. But what we're going to start going this year and going forward, we're actually going to put maybe a box of ammo in each gun before we go do it on video. Because, you know, if I'm doing the first time truly, like we have been in the past, is the first rounds out of the gun, I'm not really doing it justice. You know, it takes a good box or 2 to even get the feel for a pistol or for a rifle, and that's what we're going to do going forward. So we've already put about 20-some rounds through it, and we're going to do another couple mags for you guys on camera. All right, new full-size TX9, like I said, 3 sizes. These have the 17-round mags. The compact comes with a 15. The subcompact comes with 13-round mags. Of course, there are 10-round compliant models available for this. Using a 115-grain full metal jacket, just some quality blazer ammunition. All right. This does have a little Swamp Fox green dot on it, but that does not come that way from the factory to my understanding. This is a press gun. This is one they sent us to do a video. We appreciate it. Taurus has always been a big supporter of us, but this should not be any different than any firearm that you're going to go buy in our store or any other store. I'll pull it on that one. All right. You guys like to see my oftentimes crappy to mediocre shooting at best. I called and said I pulled on one. I definitely pulled on that one. I felt that I knew what I did, but not bad for a 10-yard group. Like I said, I did put about 20 rounds through this pistol before we started rolling film. Again, you gotta do, if you're gonna do some type of quick review, and that's what we do. We do the quick reviews. We don't do the long-winded reviews. We try to tell you basically exactly what you need to know, the facts if you were going to purchase one of these. But there are many channels out there that do a thorough job of running 500 to 1,000 rounds through these pistols. Like I said, this is Taurus's first NATO spec pistol. And the other thing, this is assembled or built in the United States with foreign and domestic components. A lot of you guys don't know, but right now, as of press time, we have a 50% tariff on all Brazilian goods. So Taurus is in a tad bit of a short-term pickle. They're fixing that. They're starting to onboard and bring more manufacturing back to the United States. They've always manufactured some products, but I have a feeling they're going to stand up a lot more manufacturing. Actually, they've indicated to us and other industry members that they will be upstanding more manufacturing in the United States and making more of the products in Georgia. All right, we know the pistol is accurate. Let's see how rapid fire works here. All right, 10 yards, good self-defense range. If you could do that at 10 yards, you should be able to do that just about any other self-defense scenario that you're going to have. Taurus is now shipping all 3 sizes of these pistols. Let us know what you think in the comments below and help us out on the algorithms. Please like and subscribe. As always, we do appreciate you guys watching.